Calculus, prerequisite skills, and we are discussing function of function. Here is another question which has a solution, right? The previous one which we did had no solution. Question number 2b is if f of x equals to 3x plus 5 and g of x equals to x squared plus 2x minus 3, determine x such that f of gx equals to g of fx. Now we'll do as we did last time, equating both the functions and calculate the value of x for which these two functions are same. Remember, they are actually different functions, and that is the point of intersection between these two functions, right? Now, so when we say f of gx, then what do we mean? Let's calculate f of gx. So f of gx, let me write f of gx here, g of x. That means in this function 3x plus 5, we'll replace the value of x with gx. That's what it means, right? So let's do this. So 3 times, and the x value is x squared plus 2x minus 3 plus 5. That is f of gx. Now this is equal to g of fx. So this is equals to g of f of x. That means in the function g of x, we'll replace x with f of x. That's what it means. So x squared will be replaced with 3x plus 5. So write 3x plus 5 whole square plus 2 times 3x plus 5 minus 3. So that's what we get, right? Now let's expand and simplify. So here we get 3x squared plus 6x minus 9 plus 5 equals 2. Now square of this is 9x squared plus 2 times these two terms, that means 30. 2 times 5 is 10, times 3 is 30. X plus square of 5, which is 25, plus 6x plus 10 minus 3. Now let's combine the terms, right? Bring them all to one side. So let me, because these numbers are bigger, let me take them on the right side. So we get 0 equals 2. So here we have 9x squared. So 9x squared, let's simplify, right? Minus 3x squared. And then we have 30x plus 6x, which is 36x. So 36x minus the 6x. And then we have 10 minus 3, which is 7 or less. 25 is also there. So 25 plus 10 is 35. 35 minus 3 is 32. So we have plus 32. And here we have minus 9 plus 5, which is minus 4. So when we bring it to the other side, it becomes plus 4. Right? That's what we get, correct? Now let's combine these terms. So we get here 9 minus 3 is 6, so we get 6x squared, and then 36 minus 6 is 30, so we get 30x, and 32 plus 4 is 36. Now we can take 6 common, so 6 common, and we get x squared plus 5x plus 6, right? And now we can factor this. Product of two numbers which will give us 6, and their sum is 5. The numbers are 3 and 2. So with 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 plus 2 is 5. So we can write this as x plus 3 times x plus 2. Now this is equal to 0. So let's solve this. So what are the two solutions? Very clear, right? So what do we get? So we get our equation which is like this. Let me rewrite for you. X plus 3 times x plus 2 equals to 0. Now this can be 0 if this term is 0 or this term is 0, right? So what do we get? We get from here x plus 3 equals to 0 means x equals to minus 3. And when x plus 2 equals to 0, we get x equals to minus 2. So these are the two possible solutions, correct? So we can write down our answer, and the answer is x equals to minus 2, and minus 3. So I don't write. So minus 3 and minus 2. So these are the two solutions, right?